Scratched hat error. Barney Error 3.2. Part 9. Look at what you have done this time. I am now super enraged at you and the background is now yellow. You are starting to piss me off more and more. Now you have 160 chances left and the fonts are now outhouse 93. I'm really getting fed up with your turn-offs. You only have 159 chances left and the timer is back straight to 2 days and 4 hours.
I had enough. I'm resetting the error to the beginning.
Are you kidding me or something? Kayla the ship. I cannot believe you reset my error to the beginning. That also counts as a turn-off. You have 158 chances left. What the hell is wrong with you? You have turned off your computer 83 times. Now your chances are 157. My God, I always hate when the turn-offs happen every single time. Now the timer is quinned to 2 days. As usual, the turn-off business never stops. I wish it would halt. You currently have 155 chances left.
I will throw a cherry at you instead.
Did you just throw a cherry at me? That will count as a turn-off. Now your chances are 154. This turn-off business has to stop. The timer is picked to 1 day and 22 hours. You really need to go to the bathroom to clean your ears. Your chances are 152. Turn off your computer again. I will be in cycle mode and the background will be orange, alongside with the fonts being at the alarm clock. You have 151 chances left.